Hi guys, been a while, right? But things got busy and yeah, I got kinda lost in time, right? So didn't actually realize that 1 month has passed since last update, but that's a good thing, right? That means that I'm busy, everyone else in the project is busy and we're doing stuff that matters, right? Anyways, let's go on with an update. You can probably see in the background, what is that red thing? That's a cap of our character. This is it, and yeah, this is a 3D model of it. Originally, the approach we took to the NFTs was like, rendering each element separately, then putting that in a Photoshop, like making some adjustments and stuff like that, and then using a Python code to assemble the NFTs itself. But that's how usual projects do it. But I wanted to take it up a few notch and make it like actual 3D models, right? But let's move on to the next point. Marketplace. I'm trying to do everything I can to speed up this process, but developers are taking the time because that's their like heads on the line. They want to make sure that everything is perfectly and everything works fine and nobody loses their NFTs or whatnot, right? We don't want that. So they're in the last like testing phases of it, and I hope in next few days we're gonna launch it so you guys can see it as well. And the first that we're gonna launch there is like main passes that you can be able to sell, exchange, and we'll see where do we go after that. And let's see how the market's behaving. Uh, in like at this moment it's like picking back up. That's a good news, but overall progress of the marketplace, market itself, like a crypto markets, right? I was hoping that's gonna be like a bit better, but so far so good. Bitcoin hasn't been done that much. That's marketplace. So regarding the game itself, we've done a pretty a lot of things have been fixed. Noted out some key things like UI tweaks, lifespan, visual representation on every UI, and all that stuff. The biggest issue we had with was the connectivity between platforms, because there was this tedious code that was given us by us to the from like the server provider. This code was written by them, and the lead dev told me that there was some lines of code that were not meant to be used like from cross platform that we are using, that you can connect from the for example, like a mobile application creates the lobby and the PC joins it, and at this point it should be working fine. Some cross platforms from mobile to PC, from PC to WebGL to mobile, and so on, right? Majority of bugs that community reported are fixed. As my knowledge, I've been constantly testing the game and seeing like maybe we can find out some bugs and stuff. I'm really grateful to guys who are posting on community, like testing the game and submitting the bugs, and we are trying our best to fix them all. So, and we'll see where it goes, right? So there's gonna be another addition, like expansion to our game, which I'm really eager to show you guys. That's something that is a part that I'm most eager, and I'm really waiting for it. So this is going to be like a part of the game that we're gonna present to the casual gamers and stuff. And the key things to know that this is not going to be accessible from the WebGL or mobile phones, because it's like not like extremely performance costly, but it's not gonna run very well on the mobile phones, and you are not gonna be competitive against the people who are using PCs. So I'm not even gonna try to implement in the mobiles. Maybe next, like in the future, we're gonna make some optimizations that you can like play like something similar to PUBG, right? Regarding the game itself, we implemented like a breeding thing between like this is one of the major like things as well, that you cannot breed the family members between each other, and this goes on to the 6th generation. So as of now, but we'll see. Me and my brother are thinking about some other improvements to allow this, but with some additional penalties. I have assigned also a team to the mobile world optimization for the mobiles. So at this point it's running pretty smooth on my phone and my wife's phone, but I know that some of you guys have a bit weaker devices, so we are still, the optimization work is gonna take like 2 more weeks or a bit less than that, and we'll see how it performs. Other than that, I think there's been like UI fixes and stuff like that, and other major some smaller things. The most of the things are not visible because they are like backend problems, but they have been fixed. And yeah, let's keep on testing. We'll see where it goes. Regarding the overall project of the stage of the project is, we are kind of bullish. We have been having a pretty decent amount of like meetings. I'm not going to the details as of yet, as nothing is official yet. Then there are, in my opinion, another good news, which I'm not gonna go in detail as well because that's not finalized. But I think that is something that's gonna open for us a lot of doors and will help the project in general really greatly. And I mean, not only the project gonna benefit from it, but the players of the project as well. Also, be prepared to like, if you want to participate in like activities like in the game itself, I'm gonna try to make one update live that's gonna implement the launcher thing, so you don't have to like, you know, all the time whenever you make an update, you don't have to download all the game data all over again. I know it might be frustrating at this point, but this is how it's been done so far, and I want to avoid it. And we're gonna make a launcher, so you have to download the updated files, and so there's no storage like internet bandwidth used and all that stuff, right? But also one thing, there's like a competition going on Twitter. Like, if you manage to download our game, and if you are a content creator, for example, you can jump in, create like a review of our game, and you can win awesome prizes. If I'm not mistaken, our total prize pool is around 2k USD worth, right? So take your chances, and we'll see you there.